Give way, demystified. What does it really mean? Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases. One such phrase that many find intriguing is, give way. It might sound simple, but it carries multiple meanings depending on the context. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of when and how to use give way in your daily conversations. One of the most common usages of give way is in the context of traffic and road signs. When you see a give way sign on the road, it means you must prepare to stop and let other vehicles or pedestrians pass before you proceed. It's a sign that ensures safety and smooth traffic flow. So, in this context, give way essentially means yield. Example: you're driving, and you approach a junction with a give way sign. You slow down and check if any car is coming from the other side. If cars are approaching, you wait for them to pass before continuing. Outside of traffic contexts, give way can be used metaphorically in everyday speech. Here, it primarily means to collapse or break down under pressure. Example 1. The old bridge gave way after the heavy rain, causing it to collapse. Example 2. After hours of defending his point of view, John finally gave way to the pressure and agreed with the majority. Give way can also mean to make room or allow someone or something to pass or move forward. Example: during the award ceremony, the crowd gave way to let the winner through to the stage. Lastly, in terms of emotions or feelings, give way can mean to become overwhelmed by a feeling. Example: she gave way to tears after hearing the tragic news. There you have it. The phrase, give way, is versatile and can be used in different scenarios, ranging from traffic situations to emotional expressions. We hope this video has shed light on its various meanings. Remember, English is full of such exciting phrases, and understanding them in depth can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thanks for joining us today, and happy learning!